Hey guys, I go by the name KOKO Lenson for Current, aka Dangote of Instagram. Alright guys, a whole lot of you are having issues accessing Twitter all the way from Nigeria, okay? Yes, I am aware of this. I'm quite aware of this. That's why I'm doing this video, alright? Just stay tuned. Let's jump deep into my screen and I'll show you what you need to do. Now, if you're in Nigeria and you're having issues in accessing Twitter, now this is what you're supposed to do, okay? Let's jump into my phone screen. Watch carefully and follow all the steps so you understand, you don't miss out. All right, okay, let's go to my Google Chrome. Okay, yeah, this is my Chrome. Now watch closely. Now before I do anything, we're going to check on this site. Okay, whore.net. Now on this site will help you know your current location. You see, alright, so before you think I'm doing this video from Germany, I'm doing this video from US. I'm also in Nigeria. You see my location. Now this is my IP showing Nigeria, boldly written. Now what you need to do is, after you've seen this, you jump back to Play Store. Okay, let's go to Play Store. Alright guys, you go to Play Store, you look out for this VPN, Supermaster Free VPN. You search for this VPN, install the VPN. Now once you're done, you just open the VPN. Once you're done, you open the VPN. The next thing you're going to do is to set up the VPN. They're going to show you it's loading. Okay, wait for it to load. I just downloaded the VPN because of time. I didn't want to take you through the process of downloading the VPN. I just downloaded the VPN now. It's free. Okay, you wait for the VPN to load. It's still loading. Still loading. Yeah, we're there. Now the next thing you do is you select the country you want to use. Do you get? Now you select the country. What you're going to do is hit on the update IP. Allow. Do you get? Click on this update IP before it should connected. I'm going to show you advert. What you're going to do is you mute this advert. Okay, close the adverts. Select the country. You see? There are so many countries here. You can select which one you want, but me, I like using US. So you're going to select United States. Hit on connected. You see, it's now connected. You wait for these adverts to show you the exit key. You click on it, exit. Now go back to your Google Chrome. Okay guys, you go back to your Google Chrome. You go and refresh or type in this. Okay, type in this website again. You see that's the site. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Type the website again. Let's see. Boom. Wait for it to finish loading. You see my location. What did you just notice? I'm now in US. You get? I'm now in US, guys. That's how easy it is. I'm now in US. You get 70% these guys in US. You get? Now that is just it. Now if you're having issues before now on accessing Twitter, go here, go to your web page, search for twitter.com, allow it to load. Everything is going to work perfectly. Before now, you won't log in this Twitter site, you'll be restricted. But with this app I just showed you, you're going to log on to Twitter and other restricted sites you know of. You get? With this VPN, you can log on to any restricted site without restriction. Okay, that's just that for now. If you enjoyed this video, do me well to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get to watch other interesting videos I'm going to be bringing to you. You get? Because I do post new videos and new content every day. Just do well to subscribe to this channel for more videos.